Hi, I'm Tyler Russell here with Park Superior Sales, and today I'll be showing you a 2011 Superior Coach Cadillac DTS Statesman. This is a great looking 2011. It comes equipped with flag mounts already installed. It also comes with nice white wall tires and the chrome, which ties in nicely with that lower rocker stainless. And also you can see that the top is a full vinyl tuxedo top with the nice Superior Landau bars. Now opening up to the spare tire area, you can see the door opens nice and wide, gives you plenty of room to work with. And to the left of that spare tire area, you can see you also have access to your umbrella storage from this side as well. Now moving to the rear load door. Opens very easily. It's a nice and light door. It has that traditional, the wooden accents for Superior that matches the inside of where the shadow boxes normally are. And the floor that you are seeing is a Galloway burl. It's a very nice looking wood finish. And one of the most important factors of this rear load door area are these 90-degree rollers. They really help pallbearers when entering or exiting with the casket. Now opening to the church truck area, you'll be able to see that it is an open church truck. And underneath you'll be able to see that there's also a flap that will allow you to access your spare tire area from this side. And to the right there is the other access point to that umbrella storage area. And what's nice about this church truck area is since it is so large, you're able to lay your church truck down or stand it up, whichever you prefer. Thank you for watching this video. Just some last information. This car has just a little over 43,000 miles on it. It runs great, it looks great, and if you'd like any more information, give us a call at 1-800-229-5008 or visit us online at parksuperior.com. Thank you.